Introduction to Blender 2.8 Shortcut Keys. In Blender, you can use shortcut keys to bypass using drop-down menus. The action the shortcut key performs can depend on if you are in edit mode, object mode, and even the editor that the mouse is currently in. There are many shortcut keys, and this video could easily be well over 15 minutes long to cover them all. There are some shortcut keys that are important in multiple modes. Some examples include R, rotate, R twice to trackball rotate, S to scale, G to move. When you move, rotate, or scale, you can press X, Y, or Z to lock the movement along an axis. If you press Shift when you press X, Y, or Z, it will lock the action to a plane perpendicular to the chosen direction. Shift A is Add Menu. Shift D duplicates. Shift C moves the cursor to 0, 0, 0. O enables or disables proportional editing. Q is Quick Favorites menu. This is a blank, empty, customizable menu that was added in 2.8. And Control S, Save menu. Some of the shortcut keys that are important in edit mode include E to extrude, Control E, Edge menu, Alt E, Extrude menu, F to make a face or an edge, Control F, Face menu, Control V, Vertex menu, U, Unwrap menu, X, Delete menu, P, Separate menu, Alt M, Merge menu, Alt N, Normals menu. Some of the important object mode shortcut keys include Alt D, Duplicate Special. The duplicated object has the same mesh data block as the original object. Works. Control J joins two objects together. Control P is the Set Parent menu. Alt P is the Clear Parent menu. Alt R, G, and S clears rotation, location, and scale, respectively. Control A is the Apply menu. M brings up the Move to Collections menu. Shift M is the Link to Collection menu. I inserts a keyframe, and Alt I deletes a keyframe. This was a long video, and if you are still here, I would like to thank you for watching the whole video. I will include the list of shortcut keys in the description below.